Today is February 6th. This is the LC Coalition Town Hall, weekly meeting with our content creators in the LC Coalition, our live agency, where if anybody wants to join, they can. They don't have to. If they do, I'll take live questions from them within this. Otherwise, I show up to these every week with something to talk about. Sometimes we go over the same stuff. Sometimes it's something new. It's usually current events, whatever's going on, and just dive into the nuts and bolts of like, what does it take if you're going to be a live creator to get a little bit better this week from where you were last week. So the things I want to talk about today, TikTok just did some new stuff. And I was trying to look going live on my phone if you can see all these features from your phone. I don't know yet if you can. So today we're going to be talking specifically about Live Studio. If you are a streamer that uses your computer in any way, typically that's our gamers, but it can be tons of people that are building a little bit higher production stream, no matter what you're doing. If you're using a PC, you're using Live Studio, OBS or any of that kind of stuff, this will definitely apply to you. I can't imagine that it doesn't also apply on your phone, but I wasn't able to find it today. But I didn't go live on the account that would have all of these features unlocked, so I don't know yet. I'm not sure. We gotta tinker and learn a little bit here. Yesterday when I logged into Live Studio, I just randomly got a pop-up, and they released the first thing is dynamic effects. Dynamic effects. If you didn't see the pop-up, will be on your Live Studio and you'll never know it's there. So you gotta make sure that you see this. Now, dynamic effects are gonna show up on the bottom of Live Studio. It looks like it's down where there's like enhance your face with AI. I got the yawnies. Oh my gosh, still. Sound effects, like my backup Terry sound effect, right? And then there's some other AI optimization. And then there's a new thing. It looks kind of like a film reel with like a diamond in it. And it says dynamic effects. And if you click into this, there's a couple of them that they give you automatically. And then you can also make custom effects. So I tinkered with this last night on my live stream. I'm going to make one of them a hotkey. There's one that when you push it, right now it's too long. It's 30 seconds, but you can edit it. So I edited mine to like 12 seconds. So it's 12 seconds long. And what it does is it wipes everything else but your face. And then it zooms into your face. It turns black and white and it plays this like heartbreaking, sad music or whatever. And so like the way that I started to use that last night was like when I got just completely wrecked at a game, that something ridiculous happened, and I was like, seriously, right? And so it's like it comes in and it's black and white. It's funny. I made a clip of it. It's on TikTok, and people loved it. So you could already do this stuff. All this stuff already existed for people that knew how to do it. It's not hard to make scenes and do cool things with OBS and whatever. But this is super accessible. This is like really easy. And if you're not using OBS or you're like, what the heck is OBS? Like, I get it. If you're just a Live Studio guy or girl or whatever, this is for you. So check out the dynamic effects. There's a ton of, there's like 6 pre-made ones. You can set them to hotkeys, so there can be quick ways that you push it. And again, I'm sure that you can do this on mobile. I just don't know how to do it yet. It may not be rolled out on mobile today, but TikTok does like slowly roll out things all the time. So this will be coming soon. There's no way they're not going to add this stuff to mobile. I just don't know if you can today. But you can also customize them. So you don't just have to use the 6 presets that they get, which are pretty funny. But you can make really, really in-depth ones, all within the tools of Live Studio. Check it out, play with it. Don't be afraid to be creative. Level up the production of your stream. We talk about this. I freak out. I say the same thing every week. You can't make your stream the same quality as your favorite high-level creators in one day. It's not going to happen. Slow, steady, incremental improvements is how you get there. Unless you hire a team, right, or something like that, and none of us are probably making enough money to hire a team, what you need to do is every day, instead of going live 6 hours a day, go live 5 hours a day and spend 1 hour a day working on your stream. Instead of going live 2 hours a day, go live 1 and spend an hour working on your stream. And get it better, improve it, do something with it. There is so much background work that goes into streaming. If you don't understand that yet, and all you're doing for this job that you work on is just hitting live and then turning it off, you're never going to be successful unless you're really, really pretty or really, really lucky. So please focus on your stream and lean into it and do these. It doesn't have to be all in one day. Little things, they will add up. When I stop and think about all the stuff that I have for my stream now, a couple years in, I'm like, holy crap, this is insane. Like, I have so much, but like, it came from, an hour here and 2 hours there and a Saturday here and, a 20 minutes there and a brainstorm on stream and like again and again and again. So dive into this new feature, be the first people to use it on TikTok, show it off, learn it, explain it. Teach other people how to use it. Make content doing that. Like, do it. Learn it and learn it that good. I highly recommend that. Also, a new monetization opportunity. Now, TikTok is like Scrooge McDuck, right? They don't come off of their crusty old money very often. But yesterday, they released a new feature, and that's pretty freaking cool. They have released the thing, at least for right now. It is in the creator camp, which again, I know you can do on Live Studio. I assume that it is accessible on mobile, but I couldn't find it this morning, so I'm not sure. The creator camp challenges, these have been around for a very long time. And it used to be that when you do the creator camp challenges, these would be for Brad isn't in the live today. Brad, you might remember this, where I'm like, hey, everybody, we got to get 100,000 likes today, and we're going to, hit a challenge with TikTok, right? And then I could eventually unlock subscriptions to gift away. That, I think, is back. That's a different conversation. But within the creator camp, there are now special challenges that are directly related to your fan club. If you're like, what's your fan club? Your fan club is the people that have gifted you a daily heart me. That's an entirely different conversation. There's a million things to talk about there. It's so important that you understand that front to back, cover to cover, you have to understand the fan club. If you don't yet, you need to go watch my other videos where we talk about the fan club. I'm going to talk about it a little bit more here in a few minutes. You got to understand it, and you got to know it well, and you got to lean into it. In this creator camp, they're giving some challenges, and they're like, hey, do these things, and you will complete the challenges. They've done these types of things forever. However, what they used to do is they would give you a different currency, if you will, and it would be like crystals or something. I cannot stop you out of this part. I'm sorry. It'll give you like crystals or something, and like, who cares? And then you exchange the crystals for something else, right? So let me show you this. Okay, so these are the challenges that I have right now. Add 6 new members to the fan club. Look at the reward. 20 diamonds. That's 20 cents. That's what that is. Practice verbal fan club call outs 3 times. That's a doll hair. A doll hair. 100 diamonds. Learn how to guide viewers to join your fan club. At least 60 seconds. It's literally click on a website and keep the page up for 60 seconds. 5 diamonds. So 125 diamonds available here for nothing. Okay. Is that a lot of money? No. Is it free money that you get from TikTok for doing nothing other than understanding the rules of your fan club? Yep. And guess what happens if you get 6 new people to join your fan club? That's 6 new followers, because when you drop a heart me, you automatically follow a creator if you didn't know that. That's a sneaky that they did, but it's a thing. So when someone drops a heart me, they automatically follow you if they hadn't yet. And let me close this. Okay. And when they join your fan club, now they're connected. They're going to get notifications about your lives. They're going to be able to level up within your live. They're going to be able to unlock with things within your live. They're going to be able to get reminders every single day that's like, make sure you comment on this person's live, make sure you like their live, make sure you give a gift, send a heart me, send a go pop, whatever. There's all these challenges that come in. Like, it's a big deal to get people in your fan club. And now TikTok is giving you extra money for doing it. I haven't completed the 6 yet, but I promise that when I get those 6 new ones, I'm almost certain new challenges will come up and you'll be able to run this again. So run to this and learn what it is and take advantage of it. I was very shocked when I got off my live last night and they were like, you also made an extra $1 and you made this extra and you made this extra. And I was like, oh, really? Well, that's interesting. It might not seem like a lot, but all the money adds up, and maybe it is a lot to you. I don't know, but you got to do it. I'm telling you, this is a groundbreaking, astounding thing that TikTok has added. It's very, very interesting. And again, let's talk briefly just community, fan club. For our LC Coalition, I cannot stop doing that. For the LC Coalition members, I posted a link in our Discord today. Go check it out. That is like a 6 pages long thing about the fan club from TikTok and exactly how it works. Again, study it. Don't just glance at it. Study it. You got to understand this, and then it will help you know what to say and how to talk to people and why your fan club matters and how to get people in it. So lean into this. It is something that I've been working on forever. And I'll tell you, just for like level setting expectations, it's difficult. I try very hard to maintain a fan club of 100 plus people because that gives me different bonuses on TikTok. And it is a constant battle, and I'm always on the line to keep it at 100. It's not easy to even do 20 for most of our entry level creators is going to be, it's a challenge. So start small, start somewhere, lean into this, know how important it is, understand how it all works, because it will help you. And how? Why? It's going to help you because TikTok made this whole thing, the Heart Me and the community and all this stuff, to build community. And I preach about this almost every week that I do one of these calls. Putting on a good show is one thing. Building a community around that show, that's the secret. Okay? You have to be educating or entertaining when you go live, and those things matter. That is the base level of responsibility. You have to do that. If you're not doing that, you may as well not go live. The next thing is finding a way to connect with people and building what I refer to as super fans. They actually are super fans on TikTok. That's a subscriber. That's great, but they don't actually have to be a paying member. You need to have people that are all in as part of your community. Like, they're going to show up every day. They're going to smash likes. They're going to chat with you. Like, you care about them and they care about you, and you have this sense of cohesion with them. When you learn how to do that, that is how you start to become a successful content creator, and you do it one person at a time. And then eventually that fan community begins to multiply on its own. That's the fun virality of the internet, right? Because your community that you built now has like diffused out into all these people. They help police the community. They help moderate the community. They help, like, you're just building a little space on the internet. You're a little space, and we can all build one, and it can be our different ones. And you'll see, many people in the LC Coalition, one of the guys that's live right now with us, Brad, like, he's part of my community. Brad has also, because he's part of my community and he's building his own community, you know what happens is mine's right here and his is right here, and there's a big old overlap in the middle, and it benefits both of us, because the people that like this space will, when I'm not online, they watch Brad, and when Brad's not online, they might watch me, right? And when I'm online and he's online, who knows? They'll pick somebody, or they'll go back and forth or whatever, and that's fine. This community that we have built is the critical factor. Like, that is what you have to do. So these challenges from TikTok, they're like, hey, dum-dum, make a community, right? So, like, do them, understand them, and do them, because they're literally trying to help you build the things that you need to build to actually get people like engaged and retained and coming back being interested in gifting, wanting to care about you as a person and as a creator and everything else. And all that stuff matters. Creating real, genuine connections with people online through a camera in my office, like me being able to do that is where you become like an actual creator and you can actually do something with this. So dive into that. That is the stuff that I have planned to talk about today. So Brad has said a couple things in the chat. Let me see. Playing with dynamic effects now. Nice. Okay. Yep. If Brad, do you have anything? Anybody else that pops into the live? If you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll wrap this call up. It'll be a pretty quick one. I'm probably gonna post this one on YouTube as well. I'm gonna start posting these on YouTube. If you guys are watching this on YouTube and you made it to the end and you're not in the LC Coalition, normally these have been private. I've decided we just put too many good nuggets in here to not make these public. I don't know if anybody's ever going to watch them, but if you did and you're like, man, I would like to work with somebody like that is an experienced live creator and wants to help me, well, guess what? You can, and it's free. And that doesn't happen very often. So the LC Coalition is a TikTok live agency. There are many, but not all of them are like us. But they are free. All TikTok live agencies are free. Any of them that aren't free, it's something's wrong and you should look into it. A live agency is free. I am compensated by TikTok on the back end for helping you. It doesn't take anything from you at all. You should consider joining an agency because you'll get help with live bands, you get coaching, you get resources, you can ask questions, and you just get in a good community of people that are trying to do the same thing, grow and build a live stream community. So if you saw this on YouTube and you want to do that, shoot me a message. Go to lc2.shop. Get on my email, paintyoufastgaming@gmail.com. Swing by a live stream. Hit me at Learn to Go Live or at PaintYouFast on TikTok. I'm on a couple other platforms as well, including here on YouTube if you're watching it there. So check all that stuff out. Brad, do you got anything, sir? Sounds like no. I'll stick around for a second. Otherwise, we're going to be done, and we'll see everybody next week.